Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve if TikTok is not working on your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. If you have downloaded TikTok app on your PC and it isn't working, then there is a solution. You can use this alternative to use TikTok on your PC. Just open a default browser and search www.tiktok.com. After opening TikTok, just log into your account and enjoy using TikTok on your PC. Just make sure that you have a stable internet connection. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.